Namasthe EMO. My name is Sunil Pankhaniya from basically in India, and at the moment I'm living in UK, and I just opened a new company. It's called Dbs Corporation Limited, which is based off India. I find these machines very interesting for human culture because nowadays many human working with manually without conveyor and without robotics machine, which can harm the body, which can cause to the many serious injury. So this machine help you to reduce the manpower and doing without any hesitation, automatic. That's why I would like to suggest this machine in future innovations, and nowadays to this generation to use this machine to use less manpower, and this is AI based machine, so you can use easily in your facilities, which is quite interesting for me at the moment, and maybe for in the future it will be replace the human.